Hi my angels, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm doing a very long awaited drugstore haul. I feel like I haven't been into a drugstore for ages, and I thought I would go and check it out and see what is new and what is happening. So I bought a whole bunch of stuff and I'm going to show you guys right now. So I went into Boots and also Superdrug, and I'm basically going to show you guys all the things that I got. So if you'd like to see all the things that I got from Boots and Superdrug, then please keep watching. I've purposely not got any makeup on because I want to try some of the products like on screen. First I'm going to start off with Boots because this is like the smallest bag, and I was really surprised. I went to Rushden Lakes, which I don't know whether anyone has been there, but it's a really cool like place to go and do shopping, and I didn't realize how massive and epic the Superdrug was, and the Boots was really tiny. So I only got a few things from here. I picked up this Revlon oil control on the go, which I've seen all over the place on TikTok and Instagram. It looks like this. It's like a random little ball, but it soaks up any kind of like oil that you have on your face. But I thought this would be good for like on holiday and stuff because I love a dewy look when I'm away. But this is like a really cute little thing that I've seen really good reviews of, so I had to pick this up. I picked up my favorite tweezers. I feel like I always lose these, but these ones are staying safe, and they are actually the Boots slanted tweezers. These are so good. I've been using this for, I want to say like over 15 years. These are so good, and they are pretty sharp. They are really good quality, and they last forever, I feel like, unless you lose them like me. But these are my favorites, so I had to pick up another pair of these. Sticking with tools, I also got myself this rose quartz eye massager from Botanics. I'm currently trying to get into my gua sha and facial massages again, and I thought this would be a really nice one to use around the eyes. And it kind of rolls as well in there, and it is a rose quartz, which is one of my favorite crystals. I see myself using this on holiday, like if I'm traveling. Love, love, love. Any OG followers of mine who have been on this journey with me for a while will know I love the original cleanser, but when I saw this in Boots, I was like, I need to get this. And this is the Liz Earle Cleanse and Glow, which is a transforming gel cleanser. So it goes from an oil to a milk, and I love cleansers like that. One of my favorite one is from Wind and also Tatcha. So I thought to give this a go just because I love this brand. But I'm super excited to try this because I love me an oily cleanser. I'm very excited. So the last few bits I got were all makeup. I'm gonna start off with the base, and I've been seeing this all over TikTok, so I had to try it. And I really hope this is my shade. I think I'm gonna try a bit of it on right now on my cheek just so that I can double check. But this is the HNB Cosmetics Luminous Soft Focus Airbrush Foundation. It sounds like a foundation that already exists, but I'm very excited to try this because everyone has been raving about how amazing this is. Let's just try a bit of it out together. I'm gonna try and get a less than a pump onto my hand. Okay, I feel like this is a pretty good color match. Let's zoom you guys in. Yeah, this is definitely a very good color match for me. So the next thing I got is also something that I've been seeing all over TikTok, and this was the last one in stock, and it looks really grubby, but it's definitely new. But basically this is the Revlon Shine lipsticks, and they look so good on TikTok. I was like, I really want to try some of these out. I'm just gonna pop this on right now. Oh my god, that is very beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, it looks glossier on TikTok than it does in real life, but it's very pretty. I feel like this is a very pretty, like, you want to wear something on your lips but you don't want it to be too much. I don't know when or if there'll be any other colors in stock, but I'll definitely check them out because this is very nice. Next two things are like shimmery things that I got, and one of them is this NYX Ultimate Glow Shots. So this is in the shade High Key Lychee, but I really love the way that this swatches. I'm going to show you guys on the back of my hand. I feel like this is something that you can wear on your cheeks as well as your eyes, and it's just so beautiful. It's such a gorgeous like highlight, and I really liked the way that this looked, and I was like, do you know what? I feel like this is going to be really nice on my cheeks. So I had to get a little bit of this. And then last but not least, I feel like I used to have these like back in the day. So this is gonna be a massive throwback. But this is the Collection Fast Stroke Crystal Eyeliner. And the reason why I got this is because my current gold eyeliner is kind of like dried out. So I thought this would be a good addition because I remember these being really good back in the day. But as I swatched this in the shops, I was like, oh my god, you can totally do that like viral, like sparkly eye trend. And honestly, it's so easy to do. You just get a bit of it on your finger and then just kind of like tap it onto your eye, and you get that same like sparkly effect that everyone has been doing with eyeshadows and highlighters, but this is like a fraction of the price. Obviously I have like no other makeup on at the moment, but this is that like sparkly vibe. I thought this would be a nice like dupe, or as everyone calls it, dupe these days. But I thought this would be a nice little dupe idea, especially if you don't want to go out and buy like a whole eyeshadow. You get like 2 in 1 with this. You get your little glittery eyeliner as well as an overall glittery vibe. So that is everything that I got from Boots. My biggest haul was from Superdrug. I honestly only went to see if there was anything new that I wanted to try, which there was quite a lot of stuff which I've been meaning to give a go and obviously try and test out for you guys as well. So I'm gonna get everything out of the bag and filter it through, and then we'll do it in like categories. I didn't realize how much like base products that I got, but I'm very excited to try these. However, I'm gonna start off with skincare first. So for the days and times where like I want to get myself ready, or if I want to have like a really relaxing self-care moment and I really want to do like a whole like skin vibe, I wanted to get something really like soft for my skin. So I picked up this. This is from DHC, and this is the Silky Cotton, like natural cotton pad. Oh my god, these look so nice. Look at that. So it's like really soft. This I totally got on a whim. I think this is like a really popular Korean brand, I want to say. So I really wanted to try something from this brand as well, so I thought I'd give this a go. Sticking with skincare, I got this simple eye makeup remover, and I love me an eye makeup remover because I tend to wear a lot of mascara, and although I use some really good like cleansers, I love going in with an eye makeup remover just to get the last little bits off of my eyelashes. I went with simple because it's very like simple skincare, and yeah, I've never tried this one out, so I thought I'd give this one a go. I also picked up lip oil just because I love me a nice little glossy lip vibe, and I love wearing like lip oils and things with just like a lip liner on top, something very simple and very like minimal, and I thought I'd give this one a go. Okay, I just took my lip gloss off. Oh, I can't tell if this has got like a shimmer to it. No, it definitely doesn't. I just swatched them on my hand, but that's really nice. That it tastes like strawberry. It's really nice. And then these two things I was so excited to see because like I've seen these around and I had to pick this up. So this is from a brand called Starface, and these are the Hydro Stars, and they come with the refillable compact as well. So these are basically star pimple stickers, and I think they're so cute, but I'm so excited to give these a go. I feel like they're just like a fun way to, you know, help a spot out, and I love that it comes in a cute little like compact vibe. I'm definitely running low on the spot stickers, and this is just really cute. Then I also got this. You're probably like, what is this? These are from a brand called Pacifica, and they are reusable under eye masks. And I thought this was freaking incredible. So what they are is they are like silicone little eye masks. And what you do is you pop your like eye balm or eye serum or eye cream on, and then you put this on top, and it seals it all in place, and you've basically just like kind of made your own eye mask. And I think that is such a cool idea because these are reusable. I don't really know how many times you can reuse them. It says wash the mask and immediately wash the silicone with light soap and water, and then you pop it back in here with the sticky side down, and then you're good to go, and you can use them again and again and again and again. And I thought this was such a cool idea. I don't think I mentioned this, but I will leave links to everything that I've mentioned in the description box. That was all of the skincare stuff, and I think I'm gonna go on to nails next. I don't know whether you guys have noticed, but I have no nail stuff on my nails, and that's because I'm trying to go on a bit of a natural nail journey. I want to be able to let my nails breathe, but before I do that I want to get some like strength up in here. So I picked up this, which is from Essie. I actually did put this on literally this morning, today. This is the Essie Hard to Resist Advanced Nail Strengthener, and it's supposed to get you visibly healthier nails in 3 days. And I was like, that's a very bold claim, and I thought I would pick it up just because the quicker the better, and hopefully I'll be able to see a result from this in the next few days. Seeing as we're still talking about nails, I also had to pick up some press-on nails. I know so many people who swear by press-on nails, and I was like, I don't know if I can get down with this. I thought this is like a cute way of popping like a nail on when you don't want like the commitment of like acrylics or extensions or anything like that. and I've heard that they can last like up to like a week or something. So I thought I'd try 2 different brands. This is from Elegant Touch and this is from Kiss. I thought I'd start here, see how I get on, and if I do end up liking these, then I can obviously get a couple more to add to my collection. I think I'm gonna move on to bases first, and one is gonna be a massive throwback, which is this one right here. This is the Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum Foundation. This used to be my favorite foundation. I used to love wearing this, and as soon as I saw this in Superdrug, I was like, I have to pick some of this up. I'm very excited to get this on my face because it's such a beautiful glowy finish. Oh my god, this is bringing back so many memories. I feel like once I've like bronzed up, this color should be fine. It's actually really stunning. It's still very lightweight. It's not like too much like crazy coverage or anything. And it still has the very similar scent as well, but as you can see, it's got a really lovely little glow. And then I also picked up this Milani Conceal and Perfect because although this is pretty full coverage, I know it's a favorite of so many, and I want to be able to make sure I'm doing different looks with different products that I love. So I got in the shade Creamy Vanilla. I really hope this is going to work for me, but this is the shade that I managed to pick up for this. And then the last base that I picked up is this one right here. This is the NYX Blur Bear With Me like foundation. It's like a blurring tinted foundation. Yeah, I can totally get away with this. And this again is like very lightweight, and I'm super excited to actually do a full face with this because I love like, for like day-to-day wear, love wearing something like quite light. Then I kind of went crazy with concealers. I don't know why, but I will talk you through them. I got 2 of these e.l.f. concealers. These are the 16-hour camo concealer, and I got 2 different shades because I didn't quite know which ones I would be, but I feel like I can get away with both of them. This shade right here is medium warm, and this shade is light beige. I feel like this is going to be a very like brightening under eye kind of look, whereas this is going to be more true to like my skin tone. So this is the next concealer that I got. This is the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum, and I got this in the shade Light. And again, I've heard such good things about this, and I'm actually going to try some on right now with you guys so you can see what it looks like on. Got a little bit on my finger, so I'm just going to pop a little bit onto my under eyes. Oh wow, you really don't need a lot of this, is what the concealer looks like on underneath the skin. Off the bat, that's actually really nice. I mean, it's probably going to look much better and different if I'm doing it with like a beauty blender or something. And this is it zoomed in, so it has really helped with my under eyes, and it's blended pretty nicely as well with my fingers. I feel like that looks really nice. The next concealer I got is another throwback, and it is the Rimmel Lasting Radiance Concealer. I got this in the shade Classic Beige. This is just like a classic. I feel like, I used to use this all the time, and it's got a really nice like glowy feel to it. So I thought I'd pick one of these up. And then I picked up this concealer, and the only reason why I picked it up was because there was hardly any stock left. And I take that as a sign of that being like a really good product. And this is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. Now, I didn't realize the shade would be this bright, but I'm just gonna pop a little bit on underneath both of my eyes like this. But I feel like I could probably get away with it in a really glam look where I wanna add like a lot of brightening underneath my eyes. Very excited to see what this will do on like a glam makeup look because, like I said, most of these shades were sold out, and yeah, I just had to give it a go and pick it up and see if I like it. So that was the last concealer that I got. A few makeup bits that I got was this NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I have this already, but I wanted to get a slightly darker shade. I got the shade Espresso. Then I also picked up a e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. This is in the shade Feeling Shady, and this is such a beautiful, cool toned brown that I think would be perfect for contouring. Yeah, that is beautiful. And I can imagine it looking so beautiful as a contour. Let's just do a quick little, yeah, that is a beautiful shade. Just even that, it's added like a really lovely natural amount of shadow. Ooh. Okay, a few more makeup bits, and one of them is like a nostalgic thing. I got the MUA highlighter. This is in the shade Radiant Cashmere. I used to, again, use this all the time back in the day. And as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I have to pick this up. Okay, I forgot how pigmented this is. Oh my god, look, watch this. Did not realize it'd be that pigmented. but I'm just gonna get a little bit of this onto my cheek. I remember why people love this so much. It's such a good one, and the price of it is really, really good as well. Then I picked up this new brand. This is a brand called Mina, and I actually wanted to get a couple of other shades in this, but they didn't have any in stock. Again, sign of a good product. But this is a cream eyeshadow, and I got it in a green tone because green is really, oh no, complementing to brown eyes, and I feel like it's got a crack in it, but oh no, we're fine, we're fine. It's not, I thought it was dried up. It's not dried up, we're all good. But this is in the shade 759. So I picked up this. Again, a new brand. I feel like I haven't really heard of this, but I thought I'd give it a go. The last makeup product that I got is this lip gloss, and it's from Uoma, and it's the Floss Gloss High Shine Lip Gloss, and I got it in the shade Peachy. And these, again, so many of these colors were out of stock, but this one was in stock, and I thought I'd give it a go. There's no like smell to it, but that is it's very nice. It feels like a balm. That is really nice. Last but not least, I got some eyelashes. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I've been loving this eyelash serum from Obagi. It is amazing. I ran out of it, so I'm waiting for my new one to come, but it's completely transformed my eyelashes. It literally looks like I'm wearing eyelash extensions like all the time. But I thought, just in case if I ever do want to wear eyelashes, I love really, really natural ones where the band is invisible and they're just really wispy and fluttery. So I picked up these right here from Ardell. These are the 703 Wispies. I thought I'd get these for in case I have any like glam moment where I feel like I want to wear a little something extra. So that is the end of my very long awaited drugstore haul, and I feel like what is going to be a very long video to watch, but if you have stuck by to the end of this video, I'm very, very grateful for that. It actually felt so good to go into a shop. I feel like this has inspired me to put some new things into my routine because I feel like I can get stuck with using the same products again and again. I'm very inspired to try some of these new things out. So, but as I've mentioned earlier, all the products that I spoke about will be linked in the description box below. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video if you liked it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. I will see you all in my next video.